Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can generate the Child Record Collection Report for your census reporting for kindergartens. This is for non-CCS services. You can locate this report by clicking on the Reports menu and under Other, click on Child Record Collection. Now when generating this report, if the reference period is only for 1 week, you can simply untick the fortnightly option. Enter in the correct week ending that you wish to reference for and click Include All Enrolled Children. This will pick up all children enrolled in your service for that reference period. Now, before you generate this child record collection report, there are a couple of things you need to check that you have to ensure the report's going to assist you correctly. You're going to click on your service menu and under Configuration, click on Rooms and Booking Types. On the Rooms tab, you need to click on your applicable preschool rooms. This may be all rooms. Click on the room and tick Kindergarten Room. So you need to ensure the room has been flagged as a kindergarten room. The next step is a preschool or kindergarten program. So you're going to click on the Program tab. If you have a program already listed, you will see that listed below, and it will already be flagged as a kindergarten program. If you have not completed a program, you can simply click here to add a new program, enter the programming name. You need to ensure that you have the kindergarten program tick box ticked. Select the applicable room, select the start date and end date, and the start time and end time of the preschool program. Tick the days the preschool program runs and also the nominated kindergarten days below. Once you've completed all of those mandatory fields, you can click Save. Once the program has been completed, you need to ensure that the program is linked to the child's bookings. This can either be completed in bulk using the bulk booking editor. When clicking on your bookings menu, this will be located under the bookings submenu. Alternatively, you can just go to a child's details page, click on their bookings, and click on their bookings to add the program. Now, when viewing the Child Record Collection CSV, you will notice columns D, E, F, and G, and there is a number listed against the sex, Indigenous status, the disability, and languages other than English spoken at home. To help identify what those numbers indicate, we recommend clicking on the Help document on the Child Record Collection page and clicking Read Help document. Once you've added in the preschool program to the child's bookings, columns L and M will display numbers. Column L is the number of hours enrolled in the preschool program for the number of bookings the child is booked in for the reference week. The number of hours attended for the preschool program is the number of hours the child attended minus any absent days. If you wish to ask any further questions on the Child Record Collection Report, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft Customer Success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.